Hi viewers, my name is Bruce and this episode of Indoor Gardening with LED Lights is going to be a bit about watering systems and fertilizer. Going to make it real short and to the point. So I did a bit of hydroponic gardening in the past and kind of came around to this hybrid system. Going to get down right to the basics. Got yourself a 5 gallon bucket. I'm going to pop in some pictures of where I got these things and their prices as I talk about it. Inside it, I've got an aquarium pump. It's for ponds, aquariums. When you buy it, make sure you get the one that says it can raise the water 6 feet. And this one's around 300 gallons per hour. But anything over 200 gallons per hour should do the trick. I use a flex hose just so it doesn't get kinked and easy to storage. Cut it and I put a clamp on it. I'll show you the hose and sprayer kit. They're about 10 bucks and this I think was about 16 bucks. Clamps, whole set for about 6 bucks. I'll show you the links as I'm talking. Here's the pump that I used and the price that I paid on Amazon. I myself took an old piece of hose and cut it, but I wanted to show you you can get the same thing through like Walmart with the nozzle for under $10. And I wanted to show you a clamp. If your hands are weak, you can get the hand tighten ones that you don't even need a tool for, and those were for under $7. Hope this helps you and grow some veggies. So how we put the bucket and pump to use, I'll mix my plant food, which I'll buy a vegetable specific fertilizer that's water soluble, mix it in with my pitcher. This is marked 1.5 gallons, which happens to be one large spoonful of the plant food, and then pour that into my gallon bucket. Okay, let's make it all work. Pretend I had fertilizer. In case I had to do too many takes on this, I didn't want to over fertilize. That's why I'm pretending. Alexa, turn on water pump. Oh, it worked for that take. Oh, that's great. Thanks, Alexa. So as you see, water pump is turned on because it's run by a little Alexa thing, or you can just simply push the button to turn it on and off too. I like the Alexa, it adds class. So when you're watering your plants with plant food, water soluble, this one happens to be 18-18-20, if I believe right. Different plants have different needs. I'm going to talk about that more specifically in the future. I'll mix up my plant food by just recirculating it a bit here. Notice that little pump, I get pretty good water pressure with it. There, getting all the water burps. And my lettuce here, I can directly feed, but on the other hand, my tomatoes are going to be more of something I'm going to go right to the ground watering with. Some things, carrots need really sandy soil that it can drain easily, so you have to monitor them individually. And then my potatoes, they just love it. They just love water and food. Give them anything and they just grow. They're like my easiest thing. So that's about it. Alexa, turn off water pump. And we'll see you next time. I'm going to lead out. This has been a My Butt, Yo Mama production.